congratulations, sir, for being Game of the Year. I knew you deserve it, and I never doubt kung ito mo to. Kaya, thank you, sir, for supporting us, lalo sa team natin. Again, congratulations, and God bless.
Hi, sir, congratulations for receiving the District Manager of the Year. You deserve it. Cheers. Congratulations. Sana hindi mo ito mas marinig.
Kailangan yung kagilid ka lang namin na rinig mo ba ako?
Mr. Clean, sir. Give it up, sir.
Hindi ko alam paano ako mag-start. Pero babasahin ko na lang para baka may hindi ako mabatik. Well, first, of course, I would like to express my gratitude to our God giving me with these blessings. And I just prayed for this award, and God answered it, on the last quarter of 2024. Then, to share, I've been with PEXA for 8 years, starting as a product specialist. That time, my goal is to become a top performer in a Cerebra division. But it won't happen. I'm always second place, third, fourth placer. So now, as a district manager, I prayed a lot and I worked hard and diligently towards it, and I trust the process and the God's will. Then today I'm grateful to receive this recognition. Thank you, Lord. I know it won't be possible to achieve this success without the support and inspiration from my wife, from my loving wife, Mariah Cristel. You're here. Well, ayun, of course, to my son, Nathan, and Liwab. I love you, kids, and thank you to my family also, and to our nanay in Cerebra, Mamela. Thank you so much. Thank you for the trust and believe in my talents. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you for your trust and mentorship. Ito pala. Dahil tingin ko, kala ko nandun. So, yun, this is your success too, Mamela. Thank you, ma'am. And to Sir Anil, thank you, sir. Sir Shikar, thank you for the trust and for giving me a chance. And to Sir Bishari, so thank you. And to my colleagues and to our product managers, Sir Tito, thank you. To my colleagues again, Brother Arnold, Kuya Will, Alvin, thank you. Girlie, thank you. And sa previous DM with Ma'am Che, thank you, Ma'am Che. And also to the Ma'am Maricar, thank you, Ma'am, sa pag-process ng bawat CPF and liquidations. So be patient to our team. Although, so yun. And then to our HR staff, Ma'am Ochi, thank you so much. Ma'am Lorraine, Ma'am Trish, Ma'am Hazel, thank you. To Sir Ross, of course, thank you, Sir Ross. Thank you for mentoring. And to the finance, of course, thank you for the finance team. Chona, sa pangungulit ko sa iyo minsan. And then to what else? For the distribution, of course, to Castles, the team, Sir Art, and to our key accounts, of course, Ma'am Rain, Ma'am Eileen, thank you so much.
Congrats, boss.
Ma'am Joy, and Ma'am Dana for the SFE, thank you so much. And to all